Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make unlimited perfect T-tracks for your shop using your router and one simple jig. I've made T-tracks before and you may have seen previous videos on how I made T-tracks. However, I have perfected the process by using a very simple jig to get them nice and straight. This cross-cut fence has two T-tracks cut into it about 2/3 of the way through the piece, which allows me to attach many different stop blocks and jigs to it and gives me a lot of flexibility in terms of how I can use my table saw. So now my fence has been glued up. So I added this top part here to beef up the top so that I can clamp from the top as well as in the front. It just gives you a better clamping surface. I also added this piece in here, which is basically a blade guard. So as I'm guiding this through, I don't get my hand anywhere near the blade. My hand is well out of the way as I'm guiding this through. So, and it's just something also, if I want, I can just use that as a handle to hold on to it. But it also doubles as something that I can clamp to if I'm doing a specific clamping configuration that needs a piece back here. It's already there, and so it gives me a little bit more flexibility that way as well. I'm going to do one quick jig for this video because that's all I have time for today, but I will be doing kind of a mini series on how to make jigs for this sacrificial crosscut fence. But for today I'm just going to do a stop block, Well, that concludes making a jig for making T-tracks in your shop. This should save you a ton of money if you like using T-tracks and you like making jigs for your workbench and for different tool setups. I know I enjoy making my own T-tracks, and this jig definitely makes it so much easier to do. Now, a lot of people ask me, are the T-tracks sturdy when you cut them into plywood? Are they going to last? My answer is yes, absolutely. My T-tracks that I have in the shop, none of them have broken or been busted out at all. When I put a stop block or a jig into it, it only takes a small amount of tightening to get it locked into place. For all intents and purposes, this is basically a mortising sled. As you can see me do today, it just hooks onto the edge of my workpiece. I clamp it in place and away I go. And when it comes to the router bits, the first bit that I used was a downcut spiral bit. The second bit that I used was a T-slot cutter. This is a carbide T-slot cutter. If you would like to help me continue to make and edit these videos, head on over to my donation page right over here. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. There are a couple more videos on this side you can watch. Until next time, thanks for watching and have a great day.